This dog escaped from the animal shelter 7 times in 2 weeks, and where he kept going will break your heart. After his elderly owner died, the family surrendered the dog to a shelter, but every time they put him in a kennel, he'd escape and disappear. Staff finally followed him with GPS tracker. The dog ran 8 miles across the city to the cemetery where his owner was buried. He laid on the fresh grave and refused to move. They'd bring him back to the shelter and he'd escape again the next day. Back to the same grave. This happened 7 times. The 8th time, the shelter director went with him and let him stay at the grave all day. The dog finally seemed to understand his owner wasn't coming back. A cemetery groundskeeper who'd been watching adopted him, but every Sunday they visit that grave together. The dog lays on it for an hour, then peacefully leaves.